My goose coming right into my side, guys. You ready to shoot it? 3, 2, 1, kill it. There we go. One of us got him. Yeah. Guys, get ready. Ready. 3, 2, 1, kill him.
Mallards, son.
Ready to come out front. They're locked up right here on my side. Guys, get ready. 3, 2, 1, kill him. Up front.
He's going down too.
Keep an eye on that one.
Okay.
Keep an eye on that one.
Hey, he's still circling. He's still circling.
Not dead yet?
No.
He's gonna go down. Mark.
Do not shoot any crane.
Yeah.
They're
They turn it.
Here we go.
Turning.
3. No.
Well, they come in, turn.
Move. You just need to be ready.
I thought they were gonna make it, but they caught that last wind and went right back.
Right in front of us, guys. Here we go on my side. 3, 2, 1, kill him!
There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
Here they come. Shooting lanes. Right side's right, left side's left. Here they come, guys. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, kill him!
Freaking gun down.
You're gonna go down?
Right.
Here's our first band.
A band, all right.
That was
shot
mine.
5, 8.
8 in a band. Let's see who killed that right one.
Not worried about
One
it.
around.
Well, at least 2 bands.
2 bands?
4 bands.
4 bands?
We've got 4 bands.
Whoa!
You got that on video. At least 4. I see 1, 2.
RJ. Utah until this trip.
6 bands.
Wow!
Holy crap.
Unbelievable.
Holy crap!
6 bands is wild.
Have you had that happen before, Wally?
Not in one group, no.
Yeah, not 6 in one group. Dude, that's
It makes you wonder how many other bands are in there.
every year I've ever came out here, I've only seen one banded goose.
That's hard shooting.
No, I didn't get any there.
No, when I shot, I wasn't getting shot.
Guys, if comes anywhere near, we're to Josie Wells. Kill him! Don't come in hard.